Hello everyone, I'm Umi. Has anyone noticed that I've changed after returning from Phuket? Yes, I came to Phuket, Thailand.
Yes, I came to Phuket, Thailand. Here, besides the beautiful sea, there are places to eat, sightseeing, and lots of photo spots. There are also a place and people there that I would like to review for everyone in the world to know that this place is really cool as well. Do you want to know what I'm doing here? Let's have a look. The name is Vachira Phuket Hospital. The building where I came to consult with doctors was the Mahogany Special Medical Clinic building. I will call it SMC. Before entering here, there must be a screening test for COVID-19. Fortunately, I did not have a fever, so I was able to enter comfortably. Otherwise, I have to go to another separate screening. It is quite strict here. After registering a new patient, taking a history, measuring height, blood pressure, and weighing, they will come to this luxurious room to talk to the nursing team. The nurse will ask for information and assess the cost. We can use insurance according to the terms of the policy. The medical expenses here are very cheap and cost-effective, so it is not difficult for me to say yes. The next step is to prepare the body. I am quite excited. The process started with a swab. I asked the nurse, and she said that everyone who had minor surgery or major surgery had to swab to make sure they were not a COVID-19 patient. There were blood draws, x-rays, and examination procedures depending on what surgery the patient will have. At this stage, it was very comfortable. Just take this train for transportation to various examination rooms or take a shuttle bus by waiting at the station. The bus leaves every 15 minutes. Once all the results were obtained, the nurse took me to an anesthesiologist to assess whether my condition was ready for surgery to plan surgery. In conclusion, bingo! I can have surgery. After that, I sit and wait for the phone at the hotel comfortably because the nursing team will start the process of making appointments for doctors, nurses, staff to reserve an operating room queue, to reserve a recovery room queue, which is a private room. Before the surgery day, the nurse will call to make an appointment for me to check in at the room that is open and waiting with cool air conditioning and full facilities. Nurses say the top floor is being transformed into a luxury room for patients who want more comfort and privacy. In the meantime, I lie down and rest comfortably. When it was time for the operation, a staff member picked me up and drove me to the operating room. After that, I did not know anything. I know that there are surgeons here who are very skilled in many fields, such as weight loss surgery. The doctor named Takun has performed thousands of surgeries, which is considered the most in Thailand and is very famous. I didn't have weight loss surgery. I just had a minor cosmetic surgery, but I won't tell you what it is. Just know that this SMC also has a specialized clinic by many specialist doctors. As far as I can remember, there are plastic surgery, internal medicine, gynecological, and dentistry. In this hospital, there are also traditional Chinese medicine, acupuncture, Thai massage, spa, and many more. I realized when I was back in the hospital and recuperated for a few days. At SMC, there are only smiling faces and they provide very good service. The atmosphere is not like being in a hospital at all. And then it's the day that I have to go back. I miss the staff here because everyone treats me like I'm their close relative. Lastly, I would like to say that I love Phuket and I love Thai people. Anyone who has watched this clip and is interested, I'm happy to give advice and be a guide because I want to come back to Phuket again. Or call to consult a specialist via the call center at +66 76 361 234. Press 9. Mahogany Special Medical Clinic. Give or gain good health.